yeah, this guy's name is Muhammad Josh. So that's me.
We're gonna be
I'm gonna
We're gonna be showing you how to play basketball. Well, not how, but we're gonna play like a little one-on-one free for all. Yeah.
But this guy's gonna shoot it. Look up. Wait, let me sit down. Wait, no. Wait. Hold it.
Me?
Yes.
Can you see me?
Yes.
Okay.
They could see you. Wait, what? 1 second, guys. 1 second. And there we go, guys. Look.
Okay, look. We're gonna be shooting some basketball. Whoop!
And his first shot, he missed it. But we're gonna show him the garbage can. Colors. Do not shoot, guys. This guy's jaws is so stupid. Oh, look, that's his second shot. So we're gonna do it up to 15. So
Lunch jobs, kids. Please do not obey your parents.
so this guy's the obese cow guy.
Hey, guys, if please also leave in the commentary down below what do you want him to like do any gaming setups, okay?
Okay, like basketball, soccer, Minecraft, Roblox, anything.
Like GTA 5.
Yeah, we could download
Anything
GTA
you
5.
shitty kids want to give us.
Make sure to give 100 likes, at least 100 likes. And
That's it.
that's in. He shot it in. Look at the garbage can. This guy sucks these every day. Okay, never mind. This guy's name. This guy's name is Josh. No, that's one. Guys, check out his name is. What's your YouTuber again? Tell us.
Bacon Canadian.
Okay.
Watch it.
Guys, watch Benji Canadian, Popular Mamos, PewDiePie, and Gaming with Jan, and Stampy, Squid, Shoo.
Please subscribe and we'll leave you off here.
Bye!